Your company is looking into a new phone system and you're considering Microsoft Teams phone system, but you're wondering, being the IT staff, is how reliable is it? Because the last thing you want to do is go and install something that's down all the time and then all the heat comes down on you in the IT department, right? So you're wondering, hey, is Microsoft Teams phone system reliable? And if so, why? Like, what's the proof behind it? Well, I wanted to make a quick video series on it. I've already done a couple videos on this topic. If you'd like to watch those, please do so on either our website or our YouTube channel. But wanted to do a third video today specifically regarding cellular minutes on your mobile devices. So wanted to talk about that, but before I get started, just a quick plug. If you'd like my recommendations on the best Teams phone system dial tone for your company, don't think that your only option is to get a calling plan from Microsoft. There's other options out there, especially if you're a large company, meaning over 100 employees or more. If so, reach out, contact me. I'm happy to help you. Shoot me an email, give me a call, I'll give you some recommendations so you don't have to search the internet for that stuff. All right, so Microsoft Teams phone system reliability. Again, as I mentioned earlier, I've made a couple other videos on this topic talking about how reliable Microsoft Teams phone system is and different ways you can have failover for Microsoft Teams phone system should Teams go down, or should, things like the electricity in your office go down or things like that. So I've made a couple videos there. But today I wanted to talk quickly about cellular minutes. So one thing that some cloud PBX service providers offer with their mobile app, the app that you can download onto everybody's mobile device, is the ability to use cellular minutes if the internet connection or the data connection is down on your mobile device, or say you have limited data in a certain area. That's probably the most common, is people are traveling or they're out and about and they don't have a lot of data. It's a bad area for their cell phone to have data available. Well, in those areas, some cloud PBX solutions offer the ability to use cellular minutes with your mobile app for your cloud PBX application. So let me give you an example. You want to make an outbound call from the mobile app on your cell phone so that maybe you're calling a customer and you want the outbound caller ID to be displayed as your work phone number, as if you're calling from your work phone system, so that in case they have to call you back, they're calling back your work number. Or maybe you're on the phone with somebody and you want to transfer a call, things like that, from within the cloud PBX application. Well, if there's no data available to use that app, some providers offer the ability to use your cellular connection instead of your phone's data connection. So that's just a little bit easier to use if there's very little data available in the area. The cellular connection typically works a little bit better. So that's a nice option to have. But Microsoft Teams phone system does not offer that. So if you're using Microsoft Teams phone system, the only way for your mobile app to work is if you have good data coverage in the area. If you do not have good data coverage, Microsoft Teams phone system will not work on the mobile app. You cannot use your cellular connection to use Microsoft Teams phone system. And that is different than some of the other third-party cloud PBX solutions out there that we've known for many years. So wanted to make sure that's clear. I know it's a little bit odd to think about, and you have to really kind of wrap your brain around it a little bit. It's very simple, yet it's a little bit in the weeds when you start thinking about using a mobile app for your company's phone system. So I hope that helps out a little bit. I know it was kind of talking about how Microsoft Teams phone system may not be reliable in certain circumstances, but I still think that's valuable information if your company is looking at Teams phone system. And I have it come up on calls all the time when we start getting into the mobile app and how it works on demonstrations for Teams phone system. All right, well, again, if you'd like my recommendation on the best dial tone service providers to power your Microsoft Teams phone system and you're a large company, meaning you have over 100 employees, don't hesitate, reach out and contact me. I'm happy to help you. Give me a call or shoot me an email. I'll ask you a few questions and I'll quickly be able to tell you which service providers I'd recommend you use for dial tone and why. And I'll also introduce you to the right people within those companies and help oversee the process of you getting a quote, make sure your company gets the lowest pricing available, so on and so on. And the nice thing is that those service providers that I recommend, they are the ones who actually pay me my broker fee. So you don't have to pay me anything. So there's absolutely no reason to at least not give me a try, reach out and contact me and see what I have to say. All right, well, I will catch you on the next video.